What's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is how to lose custody of your children. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man.
He told me he had a knife blocking you in a room, wouldn't let you go.
Touch tase this motherfucker. I'm done with this shit.
Back up. What's going on?
You tell him. I ain't got shit to say to him. You fucking tell him. Well, you tell him. Because I ain't got shit to say.
Tell him what?
This is bullshit, man.
Yeah, it is.
Come here. James, what's going on? We got another 911 call.
Was it me?
We got another 911 call here. What's going on?
It might have been me. Call.
You got him for a second. What's...
Nothing.
Hey. Don't circle my son like that.
Yeah.
I'm going back here to check on everyone else. That's what we do on 911 calls.
Okay.
Who called 911 this time?
Huh?
Who called 911? What happened?
Because he came over here, well, I just wish he could be like Baker active for trying to hurt himself.
I can't Baker act him. He's not suicidal. What?
He's been trying to hurt himself all day.
What did he try to do?
Jumping out my truck. He took me in the building as soon as we got here earlier and wouldn't let me out. And then he said, I'm not going to hurt you. I'm going to hurt myself. Had a knife right here. Says, I know exactly how to kill myself. And wouldn't let me out. Wanted me to watch him kill himself.
And y'all see this?
No, because he told them, give us 5 minutes while he takes me in the building.
Be away from them, but we don't want to because we know what he's going to do.
So what happened this time that we came back?
He started calling me a whore, calling me names, and talking mean to her, and let that dog out that was out earlier when the other first guy got here, and I had to put him in the crate because he will kill my cats and stuff. And as soon as y'all left, he let the dog out, saying the dog's gonna run around everywhere and just let it kill everything. And I got him and put him up, but he can't find him. He's looking everywhere trying to find him. And I just wish he could be Baker acted or something, because I don't want him to go to jail. But he's very intoxicated.
He is.
And I don't even know how.
I mean, I'll go ask him.
Because I haven't even seen him drinking anything except for when we left earlier and he took off walking. He said somebody thought he was homeless and gave him 9% that what he claims was halfway already drank. So
I'll evaluate him for a Baker Act, but he's got to be, I'll go talk to him. Did you threaten yourself with a knife?
What?
Did you threaten yourself with a knife?
No, I did not threaten.
No.
Okay. So what happened?
I don't have to say shit. You talk.
You just told me not to talk to him.
Okay, but that's what but I'm telling him now.
I told him what happened.
There you go.
What are they saying?
So he said that I guess whenever he got the dog and started walking off, she came over there and started to try to grab the dog to bring it back.
She with me. I tried to call you. I'm probably the 911 call. Because I called y'all because I've not done nothing wrong and I don't want to get in trouble. I'm on probation. And hey, how you fucking doing?
Okay, let's not do that.
Why? I can. That's my right to do it.
But listen.
I don't give, man, fuck you, crap. Fuck you, white boy.
Okay.
I don't give a fuck about you. You can get your goddamn car and leave.
You're on probation, right?
Yeah, you damn right I am.
Back up.
Man, you back the fuck up. You on my goddamn property. I'm on probation and I'm damn sure good. What, you want my James Michael motherfucking Harris? You can get off my goddamn property. You see how I signed that yellow sign down there? That means Joe ain't allowed here unless I tell you you can. I told you you can. I'm being nice. So get the fuck off my property. You got a search warrant? You got an arrest warrant? Bye. Later. Yonder. Get the fuck off my property. Hey, get him gone.
Turn around, put your hands on your back.
Relax.
Put your hands
What am I
behind your
doing?
back.
Just listen.
What, he's detaining me?
Just listen. Just listen.
What am I
Don't
doing?
tense up.
What am I doing? You taking me to jail now?
Wait, what's the charge?
What have I done? I've done nothing wrong.
What did he do?
He's gonna explain it.
He's detaining me because I was aggressive. Yeah. I know that. I'm sorry, man, but I don't have nothing on me. It's a lighter.
That's fine. We're going to take it out.
I'm good.
No, you're not. You're coming with me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
For what?
You're under arrest.
For what?
Just start walking.
Why am I under arrest? Go get my wife, please. Ow! Ow!
Stand up.
Stop. Please stop.
Stand up.
Please stop.
Stand up.
Ow!
Yeah, stand up.
Why am I under arrest?
For acting silly right now.
I've been talking all nice and civil and everything. Why am I under arrest? Christian, go get your mom. Hurry up.
What's the charge?
Why am I under arrest?
Get in the car.
Please, just talk to me. I'm sorry if I disrespected you. I'm sorry.
Get in the car.
Ow, I'm
Sit down.
sorry.
Sit down.
I'm sitting.
Put your feet in.
Can you just talk to me?
After you put your feet in.
Please, just talk to
I'm
me.
not asking again.
Jennifer,
Back
I
in
don't
the
even know
car.
why I'm going to jail.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Because I have tried.
Get in the car.
Okay, and I apologize. I mean,
Get in the car.
I've been talking to him.
Sit in the car.
Baba,
Don't make it hard. Sit in the car.
why am I going to jail? Can I
I
talk
don't
to
even
him?
know, except for the way you're talking to them.
Then you can talk to him. See that? You're hanging out and having fun.
But you're going to snatch me, I know you.
Get in the car.
Put your feet in the car.
Why am I going to jail? Do you want me to go to jail? Do you want me to go to jail? Okay, so why is this happening? I've been sitting here talking to him.
Get in the car.
Quit snatching me.
Get in the car.
I'm not doing it. Baby, come here.
Steven, shut the door. No, you ain't doing that.
Steve, man, what did I do? What did I do?
Damn, I don't know if this wherever they at, if they got a body cam in the vehicle, like in the back where the passenger is at, because that would have like night vision or whatever. And I mean, all these body cameras got night vision, but I don't know, these cameras kind of suck because it's been blurry since the very get-go. So either it's just pitch black out there or something. But this is that time where you might start hearing that thumping. Oh. You know what I'm saying? Hey. But nah, I know the cop in his feelings though. He probably annoyed because it's second time out there and he talking crazy. But what is he getting locked up for? Well, now he getting resistant now. But I mean, initially, what was the point of detaining him or anything? Like, I don't know. So it's gonna be real interesting to see what the charge is.
Steve, what did I do?
It's in the car.
Ow!
Oh yeah,
in the car.
that's right.
You're hurting me.
Put your feet in the car.
What did I do? I've been sitting here.
right.
Ow!
Get in the car.
What did I do?
Now
man?
you got resisting on top of it.
How?
Get in the car.
How?
Stand back there.
How? What am I
Put your
doing?
feet in the car. Pull them back.
What am I doing?
Pull them back.
What am I doing?
Put your feet in the car.
Oh! Help! Help!
Now you
Come
got a
on!
battery on Leo. Back up.
Man, I'm just talking to y'all. Baby! Boom! What did I
Just
do?
sit down, dude. You're making everything better.
Well, just talk to me. I mean,
Sit in there. Sit in there. Sit in there.
just talk to me.
Just sit down.
No, just talk to me. What did I do? I've been talking to you.
Sit down.
Get in the car.
Dude, sit down. Why are you making this hard?
Why is he doing this? Ow!
Sit in there.
Bruh. Ow!
Get in the car. Oh, you're gonna
Why
get
are
pepper
you
sprayed.
doing this?
I needed them to help me.
Bruh.
You're about to get pepper sprayed.
Why are you doing this?
You gonna get in the car, you're gonna get pepper sprayed.
Bro, I'm trying to talk to you. I'm gonna
give you one last chance.
I am
Get in the
nowhere
car.
near resisting you.
Get in the car.
I want to talk to you. I am not resisting. You hear my wife. You hear my kids. Please stop.
Please let him go.
I've done nothing.
Let him go. Let him go.
Stop. What did I do?
Don't kick me.
I didn't kick you. Don't choke me. Stop.
Oh, they hit him with that act right, boy. They hit him with that act right. They hit him with that act
Take
right,
this
boy.
motherfucker. I'm done with this shit.
What did I do?
Oh yeah,
Quit doing it now.
It's lit.
Get in.
That's it.
What did I do?
Back up.
You're killing my family.
Back up! Back up!
I've already said this.
1311, call me. Start me more units. Back up!
Sit on your butt.
Going anywhere.
Sit on your butt. You don't ever grab somebody when I'm in the middle of that.
I mean, on video.
Sit down. Sit down right here.
I might post it too.
Ever grab me when I'm in the middle of doing something like that?
I might post it.
1311, call me. One tase.
I got it anything.
Post it.
That's stupid, ain't it?
It's just that he's been to jail
Please stop.
multiple times and we need him.
Well, don't do silly stuff like that.
Well, woo-wee, this thing got active real quick, boy. Real quick, boy. I just feel bad for the kids, because the kids are gonna see this and they're kind of too young to like really realize. I mean, they probably know what's going on, but like, yeah, I don't know why the guy got locked up in the very beginning, but if you do get placed under arrest or whatever the case may be, all that other extra stuff that happened after it, that resisting, that not wanting to get in the car, it's over. Once you already in cuffs, it's over. The cop has already made up his mind. If you feel like you've been done wrong, then you fight it in court. But there's nothing you can do now. So all of that extra stuff, it kind of forced the cop to, to get active. You know what I'm saying? He had to get activated. And it sucks that the kids had to see that, because now the kids have an image of the cops beating up their father or whatever the case may be. But the father could have just complied, even if you think that you're wrong, if you think that you're being wrongfully arrested, like, still, it's not your time right then and there to fight it. You'll have your time to fight it in court, because now you're definitely going to jail for all that happened.
This is fucked.
Don't cuss.
You.
Don't cuss.
You.
Shut up. Don't cuss.
This is so fucking stupid. We're not going anywhere. I'm staying at this house.
I don't care if you stay here.
Well, if you take her to jail, we're going to freaking foster home. I don't know where I'm going to go. I'm in the
Don't even lie.
You're scared of him. He's fighting us. We're trying to deal with that, and you're gonna run on us.
And you're running on my.
See, and that's what I'm just saying, right? If the kids have the image of, well, if you take her to jail, then we're going to foster home, but not saying, Mama, why did you try to attack the cops? Or why did you try to, you know what I'm saying? Why did you touch the cops? The kids ain't saying that. The kids don't think about that. The only reason why the mother is being isolated now is because of her actions that she did towards the cops.
One side.
10-4, call me. I need an additional.
Yes, you did.
I don't even know where you're going to.
How do I know that? You're running on it and grabbing me. Negative.
You told me he had a knife, was holding it to his own stomach.
Earlier.
Blocking you in a room, wouldn't let you go.
Yeah.
That's why he's going to jail. It's called false imprisonment. He's intoxicated, which is a violation of his freaking probation.
Okay.
Right? Now he's going for battery on Leo, resisting with violence.
Ooh. Ooh. So they did have some legit stuff on them. Hold up. I gotta catch the ending of that. Oh. So you go from, see, and that's why, ladies, sometimes y'all make these reports on these men, and deep down, you really don't want nothing to happen to them. You really just want them to calm down, or whatever the case may be, or sober up, or whatever. But you made that statement that, he held you, this and that, or whatever, whether it happened or not, right? That's why they're taking him. And the guy asked him, hey, you on probation, right? He asked him that because he probably smelled the alcohol. violation. Like, okay, because I'm sitting here thinking, I'm like, yo, why they putting him in handcuffs? Why they locking him up? But the cop is on point though. He's on point. And now you go from, oh my God, I was in danger. He had me locked in the room or whatever with a knife, and to grabbing the cop to defend him, to defend the same guy. Make up your mind. What side are you? You know what I'm saying? Make up your mind, because you look confused.
Okay, I need an additional.
Yes, you did.
I don't even know where your gun is.
How do I know that? You're running on it and grabbing me. Negative.
You told me he had a knife, was holding it to his own stomach.
Earlier.
Blocking you in a room, wouldn't let you go.
Yeah.
That's why he's going to jail. It's called false imprisonment. He's intoxicated, which is a violation of his freaking probation.
Okay.
Right? Now he's going for battery on Leo, resisting with violence.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.